Hi there, I'm Barak Dunayer, Jacky Teplitzky team at Douglas Elliman, and this beautiful day Jacky and I would like to welcome you to one of our newest exclusive listings right here at the Alwyn Court. And just 1 block away from here, Central Park, the finest, the greatest, the best backyard in the whole wide world. Follow me and I'll show you Residence 5A at the beautiful Alwyn Court. Wow, what a way to come home. This magnificent lobby. Look how tall, this amazing skylight, water fountain here. And now, let's go upstairs to Residence 5A. So here we are at Residence 5A at the wonderful Alwyn Court. Look at this beautiful chandelier, the ceiling height, the door frame, the details. And as we walk into this grand salon, I'd like to point your attention into this very high entrance that the seller designed to give more light and more air and more of a grand feeling in this grand salon. So walking into this living room in this place, 5A, I call it the grand salon because it is huge. It has 2 exposures, lots of light, lots of air, high ceilings, beautiful crown moldings, and this detail. Look at this mantle. Look at the details. We enter the kitchen. Again, this very high entrance make it so much more dramatic. Stainless steel appliances, storage all the way to the top. Beautiful kitchen. Now let's show you the master bedroom. So there are master bedrooms and there are master bedrooms. High ceilings again, and this bed. It's a California king. 2 large windows, lots of light. I like this as a master bedroom. So I've been in a lot of rooms in New York and I've been into a lot of closets. But something like this, it's truly unique. So these sellers love their clothes and they took one of the bedrooms in this apartment and converted it into a beautiful wardrobe showroom. Or you can just convert it back into another bedroom. So before I leave you, I have to tell you about this magnificent location. So here, right next to the Alwyn Court, we have Carnegie Hall. We have the Time Warner Center, Jazz Lincoln Center, Central Park, you name it, it's right here outside your door. That bike is harder than it looks. Once again, I'm Barak Dunayer with the Jacky Teplitzky team at Douglas Elliman. If you'd like to know more about Residence 5A at the beautiful Alwyn Court, give us a call. We'd be glad to show you around.